multiple times and it folds it for her simultaneously. While we're perfecting the folding technology, we also brought in with us an interactive mock-up. What does it mean? It doesn't have the folding technology inside, but we want to perfect the folding experience. So it does all the experience that you have from time perspective, feeding perspective, and even screen perspective. So you can imagine how it will be like in your home, and we can improve it, but it doesn't have the folding inside. Okay. So let's take an example. I take a dry item, I flip it on the FoldiMate, and as long as I keep on flipping, when FoldiMate is ready, it will simultaneously fold it for me and stack it in a neatly folded stack on the bottom. It will take me under 4 minutes, or between 2 to 4 minutes, to fold an entire laundry load with FoldiMate. I told you what it can do: shirts, pants, towels, and even pillowcases. Target price point for us is $980. By the end of next year, we're hoping to ship the first units. Today, we're allowing a limited amount of early deposits, fully refundable early deposits. Why? First, we need to plan the manufacturing. We need to know the quantities, how many units we need to produce. Second, we want to reward those who are supporting us, so we're going to give you shipping priority for your region and a 10% discount. When FoldiMate is done, it will just bring the items all the way to me so I can take them and continue with folding or throw it away. Do you have any questions? Questions?
So do ironing as well, or just folding?
No, folding.
Just folding.
We're starting with folding, and then we will expand the features.
Can you show again?
Yes.